JK13 movable IC can resolve the error pop-up issue. You will need to prepare the tag on flex and solder the IC onto it before continuing with the next steps. Once the tag on is fully clean, it's ready to have the IC soldered to it. Please note the orientation should be that the dot of the IC is on the top left-hand corner of the tag on flex. Peel off the cover-up sticker that's covering the solder pads on the display. We used Captain tape to keep the sticker in place. Align the tag on flex with the solder pads on the screen and apply flux to the solder pads. Please note we're not soldering an IC to this tag on flex to increase the visibility of the next steps. However, the steps are exactly the same with an IC fitted. Solder the tag on flex to the screen using a soldering iron. Make sure the connection is made by making sure the solder overflows above the tag on. Sometimes the solder already on the display is not enough, so you need to top it up with extra solder. Use a soldering iron and solder wire to do this. Clean the excess flux on the tag on. Remove the Captain tape to stick the cover-up sticker back down. Please note we're not soldering an IC to this tag on flex to increase the visibility of the next steps. However, the steps are exactly the same with an LC fitted. You place the IC movable flexible labels on. This step can be operated before soldering the label.